Okay. Welcome. Now we're gonna do some unboxing today. Let's have some coffee. I'm done with my coffee, bitch. So before unboxing, alcohol first for protection to kill the germs. There you go. Kina, go. There we go. So we purchased Visioneer eyeglasses for
It's not Visioneer, eh?
Visioneer. It's Visioneer, and we're all after the Blu-rays anti-radiation and transitional eyeglasses. And let's see what they can offer. So we purchased 3 for me, Gemma, and the daughter. Mars, di ka makita, Mars.
Makita manggod ko, oh. Sige, go.
Pinatakilid ka mo kang sa jeep.
I have to kuan pa baya po.
Oh, there. So there you go. Comes in a box. And there's a little coupon in here saying you got a 10% discount code on your next order, which I don't know if it really works because I've read a feedback that it's not working.
It's not working.
That's what I read in the feedback. So here
really?
we go. It comes in a hard case. The microfiber white for eyeglass. And they're saying you're not supposed to wash your eyeglass with alcohol because it damages the surface of the glass. So you have to use water, soap if you can. Or you want. And then, so this is what I got for myself. You open yours, Mars.
Oh, mine too. Is this mine?
Is this? Yes, that's yours.
Who is this?
It's a
Oh,
Harry
it's
Potter.
Harry.
So we're actually at Puna. So we're about to play early in the morning.
Hey, long time
Oh
no
my
see.
God.
How are you?
The Reborn. How are you?
Oh,
Huh? Yeah, we heard. So you okay?
Quarantine
Mm.
stuff.
That's sad.
did you play yesterday?
No, I came back yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I told them to play in the afternoon so I could play.
So that's what
Me
she
first?
purchased. You first, Mars.
Let's see.
Oh my God. Wait, it's not bad, man. Be look at. Hello, kapuyawan. Hello, very nice. Oh,
di
what?
ba?
You do man get ka ng volume, yes?
Ah, okay.
Then, quack.
Back.
Wait, it's very nice, Mars.
No, it's really nice.
Yeah. So you know if it's anti-rod because it
Bro, lagi kong malibot.
it has a yellowish glass. Not man, because you're not used to it pa.
No, it's gonna...
So it's also transitional. That means if you expose it in sunlight, it turns dark.
Yeah,
So
let's
this
see
is
for my
mine.
daughter.
It looks weird because I want the daring shade. Because I'm daring. Sure. Real one. There you go. Mars? Wala! I look
Ay, sud ni dire.
I look like Jollibee.
How much more I can do?
Uy, I look like kanang Koreaki.
No.
Oh, see, this is what I meant about daring. Because not everybody wants to wear this kind of shade. Because it's huge, it's big, and I love the clear frame. So yeah, that's it.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay.
Oh, that's Ishi.
Oh, look,
It's
I
nice,
like
yeah.
this one.
Right?
My
Sige, where
goodness,
is-
Ishi, I'm sorry.
Hi, look.
Wait,
Oh,
so
you-
Jollibee.
Jollibee. And then when Jollibee meets McDonald's. Oh, there you go. Oh, you look
Okay.
good.
Really? No, it's very big. Oy.
We're actually unboxing and doing a short vlog for, you know.
Forever and
Uy, you look great, man.
Uy, it's very big. Oh, look
Not
at
lagi, hala buko. That is the reason
Baby,
why.
na ta. It's good.
Oy, stop. You not stop pa close kay na ba tay mga last comment. No, you get the cellphone my bitch.
Oh. Go.
So that's a close up. You. Oh my god. Look. Uy, butasan. Mhm. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
See, it's better. You look good, man good ana. You give that to
And
Ishi
this
na lang.
one? No.
Yeah. Promise.
She will not go on na.
Oh, you look kanang 10 years younger. Look. See? So would you purchase it again? You how-
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I will. But
So you
I
have
still
10%
this
discount anyway the next order.
one. I don't know if I have to take care of this.
You have
so that I
to
cannot
wait for the
purchase anymore.
Ayuda. Ayuda. You know
No.
the Ayuda?
Nah,
So,
he doesn't
mine.
know. Yeah, this one.
Oh my. Do not na lang. Oh, okay. So yeah, I love mine too because it's huge and which is I'm already expecting it. Right. So we should show them how it looks like when you expose it. But it's gloomy look. We're actually
so
in the
no sun at
badminton
all.
court.
Okay.
See?
Go.
Okay.
It's too.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.